Good morning, children. Now, activity 2, Amma. The activity 2, subtraction with grouping means with carrying. Now, first one, what is that, Amma? 5,745 minus 3,765. 5,745 minus 3,765. Now coming from ones, here ones 5 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 you get 0. Then keep in a ones. Okay. Now coming from tens, 4 minus 6. Now 4 you are removing how much, Amma? 6. 4 minus 6 you are removing 6. But still you need some fingers. So what you are doing now? You are taking borrowing from hundreds. You are taking borrowing from hundreds. After borrowing, you are taking one borrowing to tens. So ఒకటి borrowing తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు. So 7 నుంచి 1 remove అయిపోతుంది. అంటే ఒకటి decrease అవుతుంది. 7 minus 1. 1 is a decrease. 7 minus 1 you get 6. So after borrowing 7 minus 1 అంటే 7 నుంచి ఒకటి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి it's gone. 1 is a gone. So 7 minus 1 you get 6. So you are taking borrowing from tens. Now how much you are taking borrowing? 10 borrowing తీసుకొచ్చుకుంటున్నాం. So 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 you get 14. 10 plus 4 you get 14. After borrowing now values అనేది చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. hundreds లోనేమో because 1 borrowing gone. So ఒకటి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి 1 is decrement అవుతుంది. ఒకటి తగ్గిపోతుంది. Now in tens you are taking borrowing 10. 10 తీసుకొచ్చుకుంటున్నావు. ఒక 10 borrowing తీసుకొచ్చుకుంటున్నావు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అవుతుంది. నువ్వు తీసుకున్న 10 ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 4. Now 10 plus 4 you get 14. So 14 minus 6. You are counting 14 minus 6 కదా. So 14 minus 6. 14 నుంచి 6 remove చేయాలి. How it is possible? So you are counting 6 after. Here second number is the what? 6. So you are counting 6 after to 14. 6 after నుంచి 14 వరకు కౌంట్ చేయండి. 16 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14. You are getting how many fingers? 8 fingers. You are getting 8 fingers. Got it? What is your answer, Amma? 8. What is your answer? 8. And that is a keep in tens. Okay. Now next, coming from hundreds. Now 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7. Yes. 6 minus 7. So your 6 minus 7 is possible? No, 6 is a small number, 7 is a big number. Always subtraction big number nunchi small number is possible, but small to big it's a not possible. So again you are taking borrowing from thousands. So 1000 nunchi again you are taking borrowing. So how much you are taking? 10 తీసుకెళ్తున్నావు borrowing. So ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ 5 కదా, 5 నుంచి 1 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే 1 అనేది డిక్రిమెంట్ అవుతుంది. 1 is a less. 1 is less. After borrowing 5 is the 4. 5 is the 4. Now 6 is the 16 because you are taking borrowing 10. 10 తీసుకొచ్చుకుంటున్నావు. So 10 plus 6 16. Here 16 is there. Here 7 is. Now 16 minus 7. 16 నుంచి 7 remove చేయాలి. So 7 నుంచి కౌంట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళండి. 7 after నుంచి కౌంట్ ఇట్. 7 after 8 ఎక్కడి వరకు? 7 after 16 వరకు కౌంట్ చేయాలి. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you are getting how many fingers? 9 fingers. What is your answer, Amma? 9. That is a keep in hundreds. Okay. Now next 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. You get 1. That is a right in a thousands. So what is your answer? 1980. Now next one, Amma. 8964 minus 1888. Okay. Now 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8. 4 నుంచి 8 remove అవుతుందా? No. Again you are taking borrowing from tens. After borrowing అంటే 6 నుంచి 1 borrowing వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అంటే 1 తగ్గిపోతుంది. So how much you get? 6 minus 1. You get 5. After borrowing 4 is the 14. Okay. Now 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8. So 8 after నుంచి you counting. 8 after you count. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now 14. How many fingers you get? 6 fingers. So what is our answer, Amma? 6. That is a right in a ones. Okay. Now next. Coming from tens. In tens 5 is there, 8 is there. So 5 నుంచి 8 remove కావాలి. It's possible? No. Again taking borrowing from hundreds. 100 నుంచి నువ్వు borrowing తీసుకోవాలి. So after borrowing 1 అనేది డిక్రిమెంట్ అయిపోతుంది అంటే 1 అనేది లెస్ అవుతుంది. సో 9 నుంచి 1 లెస్ అవుతే you get 8. Now you are taking borrowing from hundreds 10. Now 10 here is 5 is there. So 10 plus 5 15. 10 plus 5 15. You get how much, Amma? 15. Now 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. So 15 minus 8. You are counting 8 after. 8 after to 15. 8 after నుంచి 15 count చేయాలి. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, you are getting how many fingers? 7 fingers. So what is your answer? 7. That is the right in tens. Now next, 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 you get 0. Now next, 8 minus 7. 1 after you count to 8. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 7. How many, Amma? Sorry. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many? Total 7 fingers. Okay. How many fingers? Total 7 fingers. Okay. That's the right in thousands. Now next one. Again here 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is impossible. You're taking borrowing from tens. After borrowing 2 is the 1. 1 is the 11. Okay. 11 minus 6. 6 after nunchi you're counting from 6 to 11. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You get how many fingers? 5 fingers. So what is your answer? 5. Now 1 minus 5 is it possible? No. So again you are taking borrowing from hundreds. After borrowing 4 is the 3 because decrement అవుతుంది ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం borrowing తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం అంటే 1 అనేది it's gone. So it's a less. So 3 minus 1 you get 4. 4 minus 1 you get 3. Now after borrowing 1 is the 11. Okay. 1 is the 11. Now 11 minus 5. Now 11 minus 5. Count it 5 to 11. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You get 6. So that is the keep in tens. Next 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is it possible? No. So borrowing from thousands. Coming from thousands. Okay. Now 6 is a 1 in decree. 5. Now this 3 is a 13. Now 13 minus 7. 7 after you counting. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, no 13. So how much, Amma? 6. That is right in hundreds. Okay. Now next step. 5 minus 2. 3. You get a 3. 3665. This is your homework problem, Amma. Do this one. Fourth one is your homework. Please copy it. This fourth problem is a homework. Thank you.